Dinar, thank you. Yes, I'll slap you right now. Oh, that was that weak one. Thank God. Although I think my microphone like nerfs the slaps sometimes. Does it? Like my 𝘧𝘪? Most of the time? Is it my de-esser? I have a high de-esser on because my voice has a lot of sibilance in it. Here, turn off all the vocal effects on my... Oh god, now the S's are... They're released. Hold on. Does that sound stronger? Did it sound the same before? Oh god, too many S's, too many S's. Bring back the de-esser. High quality slabs.